Yep. I bought this on the company card, brother.
Fucking work. That's all I want, you know?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and today we're riding dirt bikes at Windrock. So if you've never been to Windrock, there's like this old abandoned train that they use at the mine, and this one was actually a passenger train. There's a story about it on the internet. I'm pretty sure if you look up Windrock train, it'll pull it up.
No back brake.
You don't need it?
Yeah, I'm gonna check real quick, see what the capping.
Oh, I see what happened. You put baby oil in?
Lost the, no, I didn't put it in that one.
You lost the pin for the back brake.
I got a key ring I think I could put on it. Yep. I knew something was gonna fall off at some point.
We are mobbing. I got a good name for this, dude. Fine China. Fine China.
You got keys in your backpack, Trey? You ain't got no keys in your backpack, do you?
No.
Oh, you know what? Look at this.
I was about to ask you about that. It's gotta be a little loud.
Well, no, this isn't for the exhaust. It's a keychain. I don't remember what. Oh, I put it on there for something. I just...
Oh, okay. Yeah, y'all see going up right now. Yeah. Were you using your back brake coming up there?
No, I don't know what the capping.
How do you know it don't work?
Because I tried stopping myself real quick and it didn't stop. I hope this works. Okay. Yep.
Did you get through there?
No.
Oh, there you go, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you're perfect.
Yep. I bought this on the company card, brother. It's wrapped. It ain't gonna go back through there. It's not gonna bend for me like that. Yeah. I do it a lot. Yeah.
I mean, it's not over, but yeah. That right there, dude. I was coming up on the left side. I looked up. I was like, oh my god. I was hoping you weren't on my right. Like I was gonna run into you.
Yeah, you guys both passed me, didn't you? You both passed me, didn't you?
Yeah, when you about ate shit, I couldn't stop.
Nah, full send, bud.
If I'd have stopped, we'd both been caught.
I bought it this season.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This is only like the first $2 on it.
I had Buddy had one there for a while, and when I sold that Yamaha, I was looking at him.
Yeah. This is a 06.
His is 05.
Yeah. That's wild.
You want to ride it?
I cannot believe how fucking light this thing is already. Like,
That's what sold me on it.
damn.
That clutch. I've never had a bike with that kind, with that kind of clutch.
Yeah, it's so soft.
Yeah, and when it's running, it's softer than that.
Really?
Yeah.
Electric start. How come you kicked it earlier?
Sometimes it's got to be like hot for that to work right, if that makes sense. Like if the engine's pretty cold, it don't ever want to start.
Really?
Yeah, it just turns over.
It already does feel noticeably different. The handlebars are kind of goofy. Like they feel like they're pitched down a little bit. Dang. Everything feels super light on this thing. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is insane. Alright, so right off the bat, it's got a hell of a lot more power. It feels lighter. The suspension is so much better. Like this thing floats. And I'm not even going fast, this is floating. I'm not gonna ride it too hard because it's not my bike. And I don't want to buy it, but man, this is night and day from an old two-stroke.
What do you think about it?
Other than your levers being all goofy.
Up too high?
Yeah, one's down low and the other one's up. I cannot believe how responsive this thing is.
Yeah.
Like it is, as soon as you crack the throttle, it's like, all right.
Yeah. And it lugs a lot, like, believe it or not, like when you're really trying to chug up a spot.
Yeah.
Like you can lug it down to where, I mean, it's just like 0 RPMs on it.
Yeah, I was like
this thing trackers up here.
I was in like 3rd gear back there, like barely in, not even near the power band, barely cruising along and just open it up and it was like, blah. I was like, holy shit.
I think where it is like a 300, that big of a two-stroke had a lot of torque.
Yeah. But this thing.
Yeah, it don't sit on the kickstand very good.
Yeah, it sits kind of low.
Yeah. He told me that it was lowered 1.5 inches.
Yeah. Yeah, that was another thing. Like, so I'm guessing these are stock handlebars.
Yep, stock handlebars. Stock. I cut that lever off. Is the only thing I've done.
Yeah, so you can just slide it.
Yeah.
I felt like the handlebars were kind of pitched down like this a little bit.
Yeah, I need to kind of play around with them. I haven't done anything with it. You are right. The levers are a little off.
But you definitely notice that the handlebars are lower.
Yeah, like
you're kind of sitting like this. But dude,
the weirdest thing to me is like how it.
Yeah. Like when I took off out of here, I was like, oh wow, I'm like sport bike status.
I thought about getting some spacers or some taller handlebars, but I've just kind of got used to it.
Yeah, and like standing on this in this area is pretty much unnecessary. It floats no matter what. Like I feel,
It's really good.
like I feel like you have to stand on that thing to get it to float the way you want it.
Yeah.
This thing was just lugging along.
You can bottom it out really easy.
Yeah.
Like jumping. Oh yeah, you can pan. I mean, just
Yeah.
easy.
Well, he's got the R, like a CFR 250R, and you can tell the front end has a lot of preload in it because it feels light as can be. So like you'll be like crawling up those hills like that, and the front end will just. I mean, and that thing is so responsive. It's like as soon as you crack the throttle, it's like God damn.
That thing sounds good.
Dude.
When you just whip
Yeah,
on it sometimes.
yeah.
Oh man.
It took me until now to get used to it. Like today, to get used to the throttle.
But it's got 3 different rider modes. So it's got 3 map tunes on it, and it's got launch control.
Oh wow, I guess like you just pull in the clutch.
Yeah, dude.
It's still can list race.
Yeah. And surprisingly, that's not the reason the back fender's up. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that looks pretty new. That's about.
Second gear, your best friend?
Yeah.
First in that thing's useless.
All right.
It's crazy, dude. A quad I could ramp.
What'd you give for this thing?
I traded the Shadow.
Well, how much was the Shadow?
2,500.
2,500.
I mean, this is a 2020, so
Yeah.
Shadow is an 02. Dude, you should ride it. I don't know why I didn't record. Yeah, man, it's about $2,000 right off Amazon. You get the ship straight to your door. And you can take on all of Windrock with it. It's so fucking comfortable.
I'll
tell you what, it was making me nervous coming up through there. My hands were fucking, my arms were sore. I was hanging
Oh
on
yeah,
my
dude. You get a pump going on.
Yeah, arm pump, dude. I already got it.
Yeah.
So I mean, dude, a quad, I know I could just fucking send it up that. And on this thing, I'm terrified. You can make it up, eh? I know I can, but I'm scared. I can make it up, eh? Well, you do it, and I'll watch it, and then I'll hit it after you. You think I can? Hold on, let me look at it.
No, you gotta go for it.
Well, I don't know what I'm looking at around this bend here. I think that's some... Should I just ride up the left side or hit that center straight on?
You can go straight up this right here.
You have that little ramp. You got a giant ass hole in your left and right. You have to straddle that.
Yeah. Huh?
This one ain't got all the power in the world, but I took this up a hill over my Fort.
I just don't know if I have the throttle control to do it, but I know I can do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I get nervous looking at stuff.
That is a big fucking hole, ain't it?
Yeah, most of this stuff is all throttle control.
My bike's just so damn heavy. It scares me because I bottom out when I hit jumps or anything on it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming up that hill was
Well,
rough.
that's always been the problems with these is they got cheap suspension.
And this has got the better suspension than the actual lower model. This is the fuel injected model with the actual the normal shocks like your guys. The other one has the flipped over shocks.
Yeah, all the inverted ones.
Yeah.
That's goofy.
Plan to go left. But you was right, left, then left.
Yeah, I mean that looked easy.
It wasn't that bad, but
Yeah.
like I said, I just think about it too much.
That
Just
first,
do it, I'm good.
yeah, once you get past that first hump.
I'm so not used to wearing goggles. My face is wet.
That's where it gets hard for me.
Like you gotta keep the momentum going.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's keep going.
Last rock we were at. It's like we sat there and looked at it forever, but it just walked right up it.
Right. Dude, I don't know. Like, you gotta keep the momentum going for sure. Oh, man. Nah, I'll be alright. Amazon bike for the win, dude.
Shine the fuck out of us.
Yeah, holy shit, dude.
Woo! Let's go, Em.
This is just a drop off. Do me a favor, get a picture. I have one of the quad right here. I don't know if you can read the sign down there or not. I don't remember how I have it. Hear him banging off shots down there. God, I hate not having a fucking kickstand.
There's a tree right there.
Yeah, behind me. Better off just gonna lay the bike down. Oh damn, dude, I about up. Huh?
It's hard to see,
When you get up on it, you can read it. It's engraved.
but then I gotta climb down and up the mountain.
I'll do it. I was wondering why I could never find this spot again.
The trail.
Like I said, we always came down on quads. I ain't been here on a quad in forever.
Dude, we probably made it in the woods. You guys taking a break already?
No, I just...
Yeah. Yeah. You want to be my outro, dude? Me too. Fine China made it, dude. Probably the roughest couple hours of its life.
Oh yeah. It did damn good.
It's even got all of its parts on it still.
That we know of.
Yeah.
It is missing a bolt. A fucking motor mount bolt.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if it was missing that before or not though.
Right?
It was. So it went all day without a motor mount bolt too.
That's impressive.
Impressive. Got the fucking brake white. I'm surprised that's it. Did I bend the rims at all?
No. I mean, from what I've seen, you haven't. Maybe.
I hit pretty hard a couple times.
Yeah. When you jumped that second,
It right down, but
that was a hole, man. You jumped straight into a hole.
I can't believe I didn't. Oh, but my body never hit the ground yet today.
Yeah, that's good. That's impressive. That's a good day of riding, dude.
Day's not over.
Yeah, we haven't put him in a trailer yet, have we?
Fucking fall over, bike falls on me, burns the shit out of it.